Cloud computing deployment model. As you already know that there are three deployment model available: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Let's start with the public cloud. So this is the most common type of cloud deployment model. AWS, Azure, Google Clouds are the example of public cloud. In public cloud deployment model, third-party cloud provider owns and manage the whole underlying infrastructure. Resources like hardware, storage, networking, compute are shared among multiple organizations. Resources are delivered over the internet. Some of the most common advantage of using the public uh, cloud deployment model is the cost effectiveness. This is the most cost effective among other uh, deployment model. Provide easy deployment, near to unlimited on demand scalability, and no maintenance, because everything is managed by the cloud provider, so customer don't need to do any maintenance. Looking into this diagram, it clearly depicts how a public cloud deployment model look alike. As you can see, there is a one data center, and out of this one data center, three different organizations are using the resources. So in our case, they have virtual machines. Private cloud. In private cloud, resources are used exclusively by one business or organizations. Public cloud can be physically located at your organization's on-site data center, or it can be hosted by a third-party service provider. This deployment model is more expensive than public cloud because organization needs to maintain the data center itself. Some of the advantage of private cloud is it is more flexible, as you have the control over the underlying infrastructure, and it provide more flexibility, more control, custom security, so you can configure the security as per your organization need. And this deployment model helps organization to meet the compliance and regulatory requirement. From the diagram, you can easily understand that out of the one data center, only one organization are using the resources. Hybrid cloud. So this is the best of both world. It combines private cloud and public cloud, allow data and apps to move between the two environments, help organization with business imperatives such as meeting regulatory and data sovereignty requirements. Another thing which you can think about the hybrid cloud for the existing organization with existing IT infrastructure, so they can keep using their existing infrastructure for some critical work, and non-critical work they can share over the cloud. Some of the benefit of using hybrid cloud are control. So as you are also maintaining a private cloud, so you have control and flexibility. Of course, as compared to private cloud, it has some cost effectiveness. Looking into this diagram, so there are two organizations, and they both are using the public cloud from one data center. They both organization are using the resources, but the second organization also using a private cloud. I hope this will provide you some basic understanding about the different deployment model of cloud computing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video Share your comments, your feedback. How do you like this video? And what is your suggestion to improve that? Subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friend. Thank you.